G'day Australia, it's Coram from Audiocom here. The product I want to show you today is this exciting little rig from Alpine. It's brand new, it's called the UTX A809, and what it does is gives you high-res, high-quality audio in your car. What this is designed to work with is a car where we can't take out the audio unit and fit a doubled-in aftermarket high-res audio unit. So there's lots of cars out there where the factory system is awesome, integrated, looks really cool, but you want to add high-res, high-quality audio to that system. So the product for you is this rig. It has a 22 watt by 4 power output, so it will power 4 speakers quite well. It has optical input. It has extreme control over your audio for maximum adjustability. So if we rig this up with multiple outputs to a multi-channel amplified system, you've got all the control you need to get the sound 100% to your taste and 100% to your system components completely optimized. It has a funky little screen which will give you album art. You will Bluetooth direct from your portable device to this, bypassing your factory system completely, which again adds an extra layer of sound quality instead of layering up with converting through your factory system, through a down mix converter or a high to low level converter, as some people call it, into amplifiers. You'll Bluetooth direct to this high quality audio control system, which will then control your amplifiers. It is a very cool little product from Alpine and suits an interesting niche. If you've got a vehicle with a lovely factory integrated system that you don't want to change out but do want high quality audio, come see us at the Audiocom stores and we'll put together a processor solution like this for you to solve that problem in your car of having high quality audio control without changing any of the original dash features. You can also get this available from our online channel, the DIY-cademy at universalfuse.com.au. Check out the website and come and visit us at the stores in Western Australia, our Audiocom stores. Check out audiocom.net.au for store locations.